Alex. Alex is a skilled locksmith who prides himself on providing his customers with high-quality and innovative solutions for their security needs. His latest installation is the Arrow APL Series cylindrical indicator lock, which uses a status indicator to let people know if a bathroom is occupied. As he installs the lock on the bathroom door at a local coffee shop, he marvels at the simplicity of the installation. To install the cylindrical indicator lock, remove the inside lever and row support. Next, insert and secure the latch. Then slide the outside lever and row support into the door while connecting the lock body to the latch. Next, slide on the inside row support and install the through bolts to connect the inside row support to the lock body. Finally, attach the rose cover and lever. This simple addition will make a big difference in the coffee shop's customer experience, providing added convenience and privacy. You'll feel proud knowing that your work is not just a device, but a solution to a common problem. If you're a security professional, consider the Arrow APL Series cylindrical indicator lock for your next installation. It's a simple and affordable addition that can make a big difference in your customer's experience.